Halló, halló? Ég heyri ekki neitt. Jó, ég heyri núna. Halló, 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 halló. Ekki mikið, sko. Nei.
Number 3, Markus Ólafsson. Number 5, Gunnar Arason. Number 6, Sölvi Atlason. Number 7, Robbie Sigurdsson. Number 8, Þorgils Eggertsson. Number 9, Robert Paulsson. Number 10, Björn Sigurðarsson. Number 11, Álfur Magnússon. Number 12,
Halló,
Viggo
halló, halló.
Olsson. Number 14,
Heyrið þú í mér núna, Gulli? Heyrið þú núna í mér?
Number 15, Hafþór Sigurðarsson.
Við heyrum ekki, hvorki í hvoru öðrum né.
Number 17, Bjarki Jóhannesson. Number 18, Unnar Rúnarsson. Number 19, Andri Mikaelsson. Number 20, Jakob Jóhannesson. Number 21, Axel Organ. Number 22, Heiðar Jóhansson. Number 23, Jóhann Nilsson. Number 24, Atti Sveinsson. Head coach, Vladimir Kolik. On Team Bulgaria, number 1, Dimitar Dimitrov. Number 4, Omi Tiko. Number 6, Martin Reino. Number 7, Yanaki Katsev. Number 8, Mario Atanasov. Number 9, Vasily Tiko. Number 10, Ivan Gergiev. Number 11,
Hello?
Tomislav Georgiev. Number 12, Martin Markov. Number 13, Alexander Nokulov. Number 14, Alexander Stemenov. Number 15, Dan Georgiev. Number 16, Martin Nikolov. Number 17, Konstantin Nikov. Number 19, Nikola Shakulyov. Number 20, Andrea Karabatakov. Number 21, Alexander Katsev. Number 22, Miroslav Vasilev. Number 23, Alexander Kotsuarov. Number 24, Javor Tomo. Head coach is Iaro Veller.
Halló?
Ég er mjög lágt í þér.
Heyrðu.
Halló, halló.
We introduce on ice Helgi Páll
Halló,
Þórsson,
halló, halló.
President Ice Hockey Iceland.
Halló, halló. Heyrðu mig?
Já, ég heyri þér. Heyrið þú í mér? Já, ok. Þú mátt, það heyrist ekki rosalega mikið í þessu.
Ok. Heyrðist ekki núna?
Já.
World Championship i WHF Division 2 Group B. I want to give the microphone to Anders Larsson, the chairman of the tournament and the president of the Swedish Association.
Thank you very much, Sergey, and hello everybody. On behalf of the International Ice Hockey Federation, I'm happy to welcome all of you, all the stands, the teams, all officials to this event. And with these few words, I hereby declare the tournament open. Welcome.
Halló, halló.
Já, halló, halló.
Þessi dómar er svona 2 metrar á hæð. Er komið að mjút? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are starting the first game of this World Championship here in Reykjavik. It's Group 2A and game between Bulgaria and Iceland. My name is Ævar Þór and along with me is Gunnlaugur Thórodsen.
The referee announced that having our referee for the game is Dalton Andrew. Langston are Gareth Wing and Johannesson Herman.
So here we have the first line of Team Iceland. It's number 23, Jóhann Már Leifsson. Number 15, Hafþór Andri Sigurðarson. Number 19, Andri Már Mikaelsson. Number 5 is Gunnar Arason, and number 2 is Halldór Skúlason. First line of Bulgaria is player number 8, Mario Antansov.
Chance for that.
Nice try by Iceland. Oh, we have a 2-on-1.
Mistake.
Oh. Play is a little bit shaky on both sides. Of course, tournament is starting. Everybody getting the chill out of them. Iceland got good possession of the puck.
Set.
The puck touched the roof, so we're going back into Iceland's defensive zone. Oh, nice deflection. It's a good shot from Gunnar Arason, and a good deflection in front of the net. Iceland a little bit stronger at this point of the game.
Sölvi.
Here we have the first goal of the game, scored by,
Number 16, Kristjánsson.
sorry?
Heiðar Kristjánsson.
Goal is scored by player number 16, Heiðar Kristjánsson, after at least both player number 14 and 6 as well touched the puck. I didn't really get in which order they did.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 6, Sölvi Atlason.
Sölvi.
Correct.
Loregan.
The first goal was scored by player number 6, Sölvi Atlason, and the assist didn't come along from the commentator at the ice stream.
I think they were wrong. I think it was number 16.
Ah,
I think it was number 16 who scored.
yeah.
Heiðar Kristjánsson. Oops.
Here we have the first.
Penalty by the Icelandic
Sorry.
player.
We have the first penalty of this game.
Probably a roughing penalty. And probably another one there. This is undisciplined in the offensive zone. Probably gonna hear it when it comes back to the bench. Här är sidan.
We have player number 11, Hákon Marteinn Magnússon. He got 2-minute penalty for tripping, and another 2-minute penalty, which I didn't really get.
I think it was roughing.
Penalty for roughing and another 2 minutes for hooking.
Yes, 2 minutes for roughing as well. So Bulgaria has a power play for 4 minutes.
Marcelev. Good save by the goalie. Yeah, very close. The player was inside the crease, so the face-off is going to be on the outside.
Iceland clears the puck.
The captain Robert.
That's slashing. Iceland got a waiting penalty. Ooh. Oh,
Great
that's
coincidence.
close. Bulgaria
Good
getting a
save.
2-minute penalty for slashing.
Hvað, heyrist ekki til það?
I cannot hear you very well. So we got 4 on 4.
Bulgaria, player number 12, Martin Akov, gets a 2-minute penalty for slashing.
It's a nice pass from Gunnar. Nice try by Bulgaria. Oh,
Nice
good
save
save
by
by Bulgarian goalie. Very nice save.
The Iceland is now playing at full strength.
Iceland
Bulga-
had maybe 5 chances over there.
Yeah. Bulgaria's playing a risky game. The goalie, Dimitrov, is keeping them alive at the moment.
Gets a little break when they are fixing the net. Hello, hello.
I can hear you well now when you
Okay.
speak higher.
Power play for 6 seconds.
The Bulgaria is now playing at full strength.
Got 5 on 5 playing now.
Andre Mikaels.
Oh, it's a nice play. Very nice play. Nice pass. Very nice pass from Heiðar Kristviðarsson to Björn Robert.
Tripping.
Nice move by number 9 in Bulgaria. Veselin.
There's a lot of tripping in the game. Iceland wants the penalty, but the referee is not calling anything.
Very nice pass, and doesn't go all the way through.
Oh, that must be a
here we have a
penalty.
penalty. It's obvious tripping. So Iceland 5 against 4.
Penalty Team Bulgaria, player number 12, Martin Mako, is a 2-minute penalty for tripping.
Nice shot. Puck's loose. Oh, goalie was already down. Hit the post. And we got Bulgaria on the other side. Yeah, they keep it in. Bulgaria killing time. Nice pass. Nice save by Jakob. Oh, that's a goal.
Goal by Gunnar Arason.
Yes. Goalie probably didn't see a thing. Was no reaction from the goalie. Good shot through the screen. Yeah, the goalie got a lot of traffic in front. Iceland 2, Bulgaria 0.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 5, Gunnar Arason.
Offside.
Number 23, Johan Lisson.
Goal was scored by Gunnar Arason, as mentioned before. Assist was from Jói Leifsson. Icing. Good save by Jakob. That's a hand pass. Oh, it's good opportunity for Bulgaria. And that's the first goal for Bulgaria. Player number 11.
Nice job. Behind the net, nobody covering him in the slot.
Player number 11, which is weird. On our list, nobody is number 11.
goal for Team Bulgaria was scored by player number 11, Tomislav Georgiev. With assist from number 22, Miroslav Vasiliev.
Assist from player number 22, Miroslav Vasiliev. I don't have the name of the player number 11. He's not on my list. It's 2-1. Game got excited again. Good shot from Iceland. No goal. Bulgaria is getting a penalty, but that puck was in. And Iceland has a power play, 5 against 4.
Penalty Team Bulgaria, player number 9, Vasily Zikov. 2-minute penalty for boarding.
It's a good shot from Jói. Missed the net. A lot of traffic in front of the Bulgarian goalie. It's very hard for him to see. Iceland getting a penalty. That's a high stick. Team Bulgaria not really happy with the Icelandic player putting the puck in the net after a whistle. We're getting a high stick there. Player number 15, Hafþór Sigurðarson, is getting a 2-minute penalty for a high stick. We play 4 against 4 for 1 minute and 5 seconds. After that, Bulgaria will have a power play for 55 seconds.
Penalty Team Iceland, player number 15, Hafþór Sigurðarson, gets a 2-minute penalty for high sticking.
Nice save by Jakob. Good shot from player number 17. We got an icing.
In both areas now playing full strength. If you're in the stands, make some noise. Make some noise.
Welcome back. We got 1 minute.
Yeah, then the game starts. Power play for Bulgaria.
I can hear you much better now.
Great clear from Gunnar Arason. Gunnar has been playing really good in this game.
Yes, I agree. If we go a little bit over the statistics from the first period, Iceland had 17 shots against 7 from Bulgaria. And both teams had 6 penalty minutes.
Even though Iceland has had the puck for the most part of the period, Bulgaria has a strong defense and it's still a game, so we never know what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
Andri Mikael. The first line in Iceland has been playing together for a long time in the Icelandic League.
It's pretty much a complete line from Akureyri.
They have the most goals in the league together this season.
That's
Offside.
enough.
Good forecheck by Axel. Give away by the Bulgarian defenseman. Robbie.
That's an icing. Good save from Jakob.
Do we have an icing? No.
Iceland first on that puck. So no icing.
Defensemen are completely free on the blue line.
One guy lying from number 9.
After a hit from Andre Mikkels. Probably just lost his breath. Seems to be okay.
Good face-off from Joey. Oh, that's a sneaky shot. It's a nice play. You can see how the defensemen on the Icelandic team are completely free all the time. The Bulgarian team is collapsing really deep, and the Icelandic defensemen are free all the time.
Good save from Jakob. Hugging the post.
That's an offside, I would think. Yep. There's a lot of players from the Bulgarian team who have a full-faced mask, a cage, so guess this is a pretty young team.
Yeah.
There's like probably 2/3 of the team which have a cage in front of their face. At least in Iceland, that's usually a player who is under 18 years old.
Yeah, that's a rule. You can't have a cage unless
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
under 18.
Of course, some players decide to have it even though they have gotten 18 years old.
Only if you're injured. Oh,
here's a goal.
Sigurdsson.
Number 7. Robbie Sigurðsson following his own rebound.
Good forecheck for the Icelandic team. Keeps the puck inside. And Axel passes to Robbie and Robbie scores.
Yeah. Three-one.
There's a lot of people in Pittsburgh watching. So Robbie Sigurðsson grew up in United States. Has dual citizenship. Been playing in the Icelandic League for 7 years.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 7, Robbie Sigurðsson. With assist from number 10, Björn Sigurðsson.
Giveaway from Gunnar.
Was a cheap giveaway from the Icelandic team.
Oh, that must be a penalty.
That's penalty.
Player number 11, Hákon Magnússon, drew the penalty. Hopefully it will make up for the mistakes, the stupid penalty he made in the first period.
Iceland 5 against 4.
Penalties team
Gunnar,
Bulgaria.
Andre.
Tomislav Georgiev gets a 2-minute penalty for
Up.
holding.
Oh, that's a good chance.
Good shot. Puck goes
Good
out.
chances, threatening the net. And we continue on, no line change.
Er hann nær? Hann heyrst.
Ég heyr alveg sjálfum mér. Andre, Gunnar, Andre again. Og Hafþór. Yeah, it keeps it in.
Keeps it inside. Player number 22 from Bulgaria trying to cherry pick while on a power play.
Oh, that's a great goal by
That's
Andre Mikaels. Assist from Jóhann Leifsson.
That's a great deflection.
Keeps the puck inside. Passes to Jóhann. And the deflection.
It's a beautiful goal.
Yeah, really good. This power play has a lot of shots on net. It threatens the goal.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 19, Andre Mikaelsson. With assist from number 23, Jóhann Leifsson.
Andre Mikaelsson has been playing for national team for a long time. Oh, giveaway. Three. Oops. Keep it in. Oh.
Oh.
Bjarki Reyr dumps it in for a change. Long pass. Oh, almost 3-on-0 there.
Good pressure by Unnar.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
High stick.
Would have thought that was a high stick.
Keeps it inside. Atli Sveinsson. Away. Up. Another deflection. Great pass. Ari.
The Bulgarian team seems to be really calm on the puck in the wrong places, I would think. They have the puck in the slot or right in front of the net, and they look like they're in no hurry to get it away.
Halldór. Icing. Sölvi Atlason. Pass to the...
Yeah, the defensemen, they are free all the time. Somehow the forwards down in the corners, they just don't seem to see them up on the blue line.
And the first line, they use the defense and they produce the most for Team Iceland. Björn Robert in the face-off. Robby Sigurðsson on top of the circle. Great chance there. Come on.
Puck's loose.
Oh, that's almost a goal for Bulgaria.
It was a good play by Bulgaria. Axel kind of get tripped by his own player.
Yep.
That's a good hit.
Offside.
a touch. No icing. Iceland keeps it inside.
Halldór.
And we have another goal. Halldór.
Really good individual effort by
Skúlason.
Halldór Skúlason.
Gets all the time in the world.
Keeps the puck inside the blue line, goes himself, and I think it was barred down.
It's way too easy for Halldór. Just
See that
gets
the
to work.
first line uses the defensemen like we've been talking before, and Gunnar has one, and Halldór has one goal. Heiðar Kristjánsson. Press from Bjarki. No, keep. All of this is same turnover. Inside the slot. Keeps it inside. Kári Arnarsson to Heiðar. Back to Kári. I think he should have taken that shot himself.
Absolutely.
Long pass para Bulgaria. Björn Robert.
There's a lot of turnovers around the blue lines.
Yep.
Especially in the Bulgarian defensive zone.
That's partly because Iceland has a good forecheck.
Yeah, that's right.
Atli Sveinsson.
Iceland is putting on players that have not played a lot this game. Atli, Markus, getting a little opportunity here. It's a good decision from the coach to shake off the dust while Iceland has a good lead.
Use everybody.
We got Toki here, number 8. He's playing as a forward. He has played the whole season as a defenseman.
He can play both positions.
Yeah.
Good pass from Gunnar. Keeps it in. Andri. Icing waved off. Sölvi Atlason. To the slot again, to nobody.
That's a great pass. The net's off. Always have a problem in this ice rink with the nets. It seems that the referees are denying the players to make a change. Haven't seen this before. Bulgarian team was trying to make a change.
Probably because the goalie knocked it off. But you don't need a lot of force to put the goalie off its moorings.
Absolutely. But like I said, it makes sense, but I've never seen this before.
Axel Orangan scores from assist from Björn Robert Sigurðsson.
6th goal of Iceland.
The face-off. I think it went off the back of Björn Robert, which made the puck go into the slot for Axel to put it in the net. Little conversation here at the bench. And Team Bulgaria making a goal change. The goalie, number 1.
Goalkeeper number 20 coming to the net, Andrea. And Dimitrov is coming off the ice.
He'll leave.
He's
I think
leaving
he
the
played
game.
well in the game anyway, though the scoring is 6-1.
6-1.
Goaltender change for Team Bulgaria.
I think the goalkeeper played pretty good, especially first period.
Another chance for Axel.
But the Bulgarian defense is quite open. I think Bulgaria was quite lucky to have not more than 3 goals against after the first period. Or 2 goals. Yeah, you can see it here. Iceland all the time in the world in front of the net.
Keeps it in again.
2 against 1. Good pass.
Atli. To the blue line. I can't keep it in.
One minute remaining on the second period.
It's probably an icing. Yes.
Oh, should not have been icing, but icing it is. We go to the middle.
Icing again.
Oh, penalty. Robbie, number 7, getting a hooking penalty.
Penalty team Iceland. Player number 7, Robbie Susan.
And second period result. Little off scrum in front of the net.
Fan, það getur séð penalty. All right. Rabbi Sigurðsson in the box. Power play for Team Bulgaria. Iceland has 5-goal lead. And it's very important for them to finish the game with a win. Iceland wins the face-off.
Good pressure by Iceland.
Afi. Halldór. Iceland changed quickly in the penalty kill. Short shifts. Gunnar clears it. The Icelandic penalty kill forecheck is doing good. They can't set it up in the offensive zone. Oops.
Now they finally get to set it up. There's a long distance between the Bulgarian players. And Iceland clears it.
He attacks again.
Team Iceland is now playing at full strength.
Iceland is full strength.
Iceland lucky they're not getting too many men on the ice.
Good defense by Atli.
Goal is out of the net, no icing.
Unnar keeps it in.
Kári. Good pass from Kári. Sölvi misses the net.
Sölvi. Axel. To Robert. Nobody in front of
Good
the
save.
net. Ah.
It's a good back check from Axel. There's an ugly hit in front of the bench here.
Penalty. I think it was hooking with a high stick. High stick is the call. First power play. Icelandic team.
Penalty Team Bulgaria, player number 22, Miroslav Vasilev.
Good save by the goalie through a screen.
Sticky.
Shot from Unnar Rúnarsson. Smart decision from Gunnar to just put it on the net. I think they changed the power play number 2. Good play from the goalie, Jakob.
And Iceland sets it up again. Good shot.
With a deflection.
Another good deflection.
Yep, come on.
Puck is loose.
Keeps it in.
Yeah, it's a nice save from the Bulgarian goalie. We got some scrum in front of net. Goalie from Bulgaria, Andrea, is doing a good job here. Good shot. One timer from Unnar. No, from Jói. And here's another good shot. A lot of screen in front of the net.
They can clear
But
it.
Bulgaria clears it. Iceland is getting too many men on the ice penalty. Kári Arnarsson going to the box to take out that too many penalty. And Bulgaria setting up for a power play.
The referee is warning the bench because of something that happened in a penalty box for Team Bulgaria. They win the face-off.
Penalty Team Iceland, too many on ice. Serving the penalty, player number 14, Kári Arnarsson.
Good pressure from the Icelandic team. Bulgaria has a hard time setting up for a power play because Iceland pressures a lot. That's a smart decision by Unnar. Killing time. That's not a smart decision.
Hafþór.
And Bulgaria sets it up.
Team Iceland is now playing at full strength.
5 against 5. And Bulgaria scores. Player number 17 roofs it top corner. It's a good pass across ice. Got
Great
all the time.
receive and puts it in the corner.
(6-2). One more goal and Bulgaria could make it an interesting game again.
Goal for Team Bulgaria was scored by player number 17, Konstantin Tito, with assist from number 11, Tomislav Turpir.
Gunnar, Bjössi.
I would like to see the players to be a little bit more selfish and just take the shot, even though they have kind of a 2-on-1 situation.
Markus Ólafsson, Atli Sveinsson. Tappi. Jóhann. Besti Gunnar.
And we have a fight.
Now, okay.
The goalie punching with a blocker.
The Bulgarian players, they push the Icelandic player and their own
Into the
goalie.
goalie.
And goalie retaliates with a punch.
Could we get a replay? Too late. I could be a little bit colored by being Icelandic, but I think this is a undeserved penalty by the Icelandic team. Bulgarian team pushes the player into their goalie, and their goalie goes bananas and punching the Icelandic player with the blocker.
Well, we are goalies and he probably deserved it.
So power play for Bulgaria.
Penalty Team Iceland, player number 23, Johan Nilsson, gets a 2-minute penalty for goaltender interference.
There's a long distance between the Bulgarian players in the power play.
Yeah, I agree.
Good clear
Iceland
from
clears it.
Sölvi.
Iceland gets the change. Player number 22 carrying the puck into the Icelandic zone. And the puck's loose. Oh, Iceland clears it.
Iceland was lucky there.
Yeah. Bulgaria sets it up again. Iceland clears it.
Bulgarian players a little bit frustrated. clear from Gunnar.
Team Iceland is now playing at full strength.
5 against 5. And we have a
Great
breakaway.
pass.
Oh! Good pass though. Puck's loose. Goalie got the puck.
Bulgarian players did defend their goalie. And the Bulgarian player throws the puck out of the zone. And maybe you have a penalty. Penalty for Bulgaria. Undisciplined. After the whistle, he took the puck and threw it over the glass.
Penalty team Bulgaria, player number 22,
Power play
Miroslav Vasilev.
for one,
2-minute
Iceland.
penalty for delay of game.
So Iceland setting up for a power play. It's power play line number 1. Iceland changing. Got power play line number 2. Breaking out. Iceland keeps it in.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice
ooh.
goal from Petro
Oh.
Sigurðsson.
That's a beautiful goal.
I think it was unassisted.
I think Kári had that assisted.
Yeah, Kári had assist. Beautiful goal.
Bjössi, player number 10 from Iceland. He's enjoying himself as a forward there. He has been playing as a
Goal for Team
defenseman.
Iceland was scored by player number 10, Björn
For SR.
Sigurðsson. With assist from number 21, Axel Oranga.
They said Axel Organ had the... Cut.
My mic fell out.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the goal was written wrong. They said it was scored by player number 21, Axel, but it was definitely scored by player number 10. It's Björn Robert. Bjarki.
Bjarki, defenseman, going for a ride. Bulgarian player hurt. Didn't see what happened. Face-off in from Jói.
And
what a goal from
somebody got
scored,
hurt in
and
front of the net.
a Bulgarian player.
It's a good shot. Rebound. And he got
Little
speared
cup check.
in the nets. Maybe you could call it getting a taste of his own medicine.
Put him out of the game.
And the Bulgarian player is being thrown out of the game. Spearing, it's an automatic 2-game suspension. Doesn't belong in hockey. Player number 4 going to the box. He's gonna sit 5-minute penalty, which is only gonna be 3 minutes, since we only have 3 minutes of the game.
Markus.
Player number 24, Yaro Tomo. Yes, a major
Markus hasn't
penalty
played a lot in this
for
game.
smashing. Serving the penalty is player number 4, Bogdan Diko.
Iceland setting up for a power play.
It's not the regular power play for Team Iceland. They're going to
Yes.
let everybody play.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by
Good
number
shot
23,
from
Jóhann
Kári.
Nesson. From player number 15, Hafþór Sigurðarson.
Halldór. Axel, he can't keep
Flops
the
it out.
puck in. Robert goes up the ice.
That's a nice pass.
Good way. Halldór. Good block from the Bulgarian
2
defenseman.
minutes remaining for the third period.
Gunnar lets the Team Iceland change. Bjarki. Þorgils. Gunnar.
Oh,
what
that's
a
a
goal!
beautiful pass. Great pass from Unnar.
Spinorama pass from Unnar Rúnarsson.
And a smooth deflection by
Heiðar Jóhannsson, who scored the goal.
Heiðar Gauti Jóhannsson.
It's an end. Yeah, that's a beautiful goal. It's beautiful when it works, but when it doesn't, you get to hear it from the coach.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 22, Heiða Jóhannsson. With assist from number 18, Unnar Rúnarsson.
And we got 1 minute left of this game.
I think it's a good decision from the Icelandic coaching staff to just to put regular lines in, even though it's a power play.
Yeah,
To rest
I
the
agree.
players for the remainder of the tournament.
Absolutely. It's best to get as many players as possible involved in the games, since we already have a beat game. It gives the players confidence for the future games.
Yes. Oh, that's a lucky save from the goalie. He caught it right under the pad.
Thought that was in.
Good save.
And
Robby Sigurðsson
good pass.
with a goal.
It's a good pass from Halldór Skúlason.
Skúlason.
Completely open net for Robby. Only had to tap it in.
Well, 14 seconds left.
Is that
And
Robby's third goal this game? At least the second one.
second goal.
Goal for Team Iceland was scored by player number 7, Robby Sigurðsson. With assist from number 2, Halldór Skúlason. And number 10, Björn Sigurðarson.
And Iceland wins the first game of the tournament.
Final score,
10 to 1.
Bulgaria 2,
10 to 2.
Iceland 10.
So Ivar, which player from Team Iceland do you think is the best player of the game?
My decision is that player number 2, Halldór Skúlason, played a really good game. Think Gunnar Arason as well played a really good game.
Will be asked to skate over to the box and receive their rewards there. For Team Bulgaria, best player.
What about you?
Player number
I agree.
17, Konstantin Diko.
Yeah, Dikov from Bulgaria played a good game, I think. Also blocking shots and good in the defense.
For Team Iceland, best player, player number 23, Johan Leifsson.
Johan also played a really good game.
We ask both players to pose for our picture. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Iceland.
Skitty gitty.
Don't think the players are shaking hands because of COVID.
And the next game
Will be between, I think,
We'll be back later with a game at 8
Belgium
o'clock.
versus
But let's give
Georgia.
the teams
Georgia.
a round of applause.
starts at 8 o'clock local time, which is 8 o'clock UTC. We'll thank you for listening and watching the game. We'll be back for next game. Until then, bye bye.